Is benzoic acid a natural substance? Have you ever wondered if benzoic acid is something that occurs naturally in our food? Let's break down this interesting topic together. Benzoic acid is indeed a natural substance. It can be found in a variety of plants, fruits, nuts, spices, vegetables, and fungi. For instance, many berries, apricots, prunes, cranberries, peaches, kiwi, bananas, and oranges contain benzoic acid. You might be surprised to learn that spices like cinnamon, cloves, allspice, cayenne pepper, mustard seeds, thyme, turmeric, and coriander also have this compound. Even some vegetables, such as mushrooms, snap peas, cucumbers, radishes, cabbage, potatoes, onions, garlic, and spinach, contain benzoic acid. Nuts like cashews, almonds, and pistachios are part of this list as well. The amounts of benzoic acid in these foods are usually small, but they can vary based on the plant species and the conditions in which they are grown. This compound is part of the natural chemical makeup of these foods and plays a role in their flavor and preservation. From a health perspective, it is important to know that benzoic acid is naturally present in many wholesome foods. However, it is also commonly used as a synthetic preservative in processed foods. This synthetic version helps prevent the growth of bacteria and yeast by lowering the pH, which extends the shelf life of products. You can find it in processed items like cheese, processed meats, soft drinks, jams, and pickles. For those who follow a benzoic acid-free diet, often due to allergies or sensitivities, it is essential to recognize both natural and added sources of this compound. Avoiding processed foods with added benzoic acid or its sodium salt, known as sodium benzoate, is necessary. Additionally, individuals should pay attention to natural sources in fruits, spices, and vegetables that might trigger reactions in sensitive individuals. In summary, benzoic acid is a natural compound found in many foods that are considered healthy. However, it is also used in a synthetic form as a preservative in processed foods. Those focusing on allergy-sensitive or benzoic acid-free diets should be aware of both natural and synthetic sources to manage their intake effectively.